octopus card.
Na-pressure kami.
We're here at Ichiran. Kamusta?
Na-comment.
Pagod. Nahirapan kami maghanap ng hotel. The long-awaited Ichiran ramen. Tongkong version. Sarap. Same in Japan. Room tour. Ito yung bed. Then, ito yung CR. And, yun na yun.
Bring the beat, we gon' turn up the volume. Energy is electrified. You and me got the whole world singing our tune, dancing all day into the night. Alright. So are you ready? Cue the confetti and sing it with me, 'cause it's time to celebrate. Tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party of all. Sophisticated and elevated. Let's get the fireworks out of the sky, let's shooting stars all through the night. Oh, 'cause we got the vibe coming in hot. It's all around us like non-stop, and I got a feeling it won't stop. So don't stop. Bring the beat, we gon' turn up the volume. Energy is electrified. You and me got the whole world singing our tune, dancing all day into the night. Alright. So are you ready? Cue the confetti and sing it with me, 'cause it's time to celebrate. Tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party of all. Over the globe, yeah, far and wide. Welcome to our party, one of a kind. So if you can hear me, shout it loud. Come on, everybody. So are you ready? Cue the confetti and sing it with me, 'cause it's time to celebrate. Tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party of all. Oh yeah, yeah. Come on, everybody, come to our party. Everybody, come on, everybody, come to our party. Whoa. Tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party of all. Come on, everybody, come to our party. Whoa. Come on, everybody, come to our party. Everybody, tell everybody, big or small, it's the most magical party of all.
And we got the magic passport. Oh, game.
Page 19.
Page 19.
Tapos, spaghetti.
Merienda dyan. One.
Okay na. Amazing!
Meron na siya.
First time
Anong first
for
time natin?
today. Elsa!
Elsa.
Yeah!
安全起見，請保持喺座位度。當茶
Nakakailan pala, no?
Parang may mga sarili silang spotlight. It's already scary. No, Mommy,
I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Tsura. Si Albert.
哦，咁如果你哋係朋友嘅話，我諗你哋都可以贏得呢一份獎品嘅。大家話好唔好咧？
Let me tell you about the lesson I have learned. Watching my buddies live my life. Daily they
West, I think we're ready for a grand finale!
所有人都盛裝出席你嘅華麗慶典啊！
空氣中都充滿住魔法霧。講得啱啊，老友！我一直都期待一個咁精彩嘅開幕 party 嘅，一齊嚟分享多次。
With you and me together, life is a big adventure. We're laughing, dancing in the street. Yeah.
Nobody knows me better. Sunshine or stormy weather. You're bringing out the best in me.
I hold you in my heart. No matter where we are, we're gonna be friends forever. 'Cause I got you and you got me too. We're friends forever. We're living the dream. I know that we'll be friends forever. You see me like no other. Feel every day with color. There's music everywhere we go. Oh,
Sing out and crank it louder. 'Cause all the world is ours.
come on and let the good times roll. I hold you in my heart. No matter where we are, we're gonna be friends forever. 'Cause I got you and you got me too. We're friends forever. We're living the dream. I know that we'll be friends forever. Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, whoa, whoa, hey, hey. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Every high, every low, I will see you through.
Hey,
'Cause rain or shine, yeah, I know I can count on you.
we're gonna be
Friends forever. 'Cause I got you and you got me too. We're friends forever. We're living the dream. I know that we'll be friends forever.
Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, whoa,
参与这个特别的音乐。
Yes, okay, let's get ready together to the run and say goodbye to them. Bye bye. And you will never see them again. Bye bye. It's cold today, but remember one thing: no swimming to the tree house because they are mother elephant and the baby elephant. Mother one is teaching her little baby to use his trunk to play water. Have a lot of kids, but they are so busy right now. They are chased by the rhinos. Anyone want to save them? Anyone want to go? No! No one want to save you. Good luck to you. Bye-bye. But... Oh, no, 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 put your hand up for the wayside. Feel for the back. And stay here. And the god of fire is angry now. Be careful, don't put your hands up in the air. Watch your hand in the air. And obviously, fire is also burning on the water. But don't worry, we may get some help. But we got on water in the air. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let the celebration begin!
Thank you and welcome to you all. 歡迎大家。
我哋想聽你講你。
Welcome, one and all. It's time for the most magical party of all. To make it sparkle, grand and bright, Mickey needs magic and friends tonight. Bibbidi, bobbidi.
Pork barbecue yan, no?
Parang hopya. Pero, pork.
Kamusta ang ano?
So, dalawa na yung nakainan natin.
Oo.
Yung kagabi, yung Max Noodles. At saka itong sim.
Kimchi. Ki.
Mas bet ko yung noodles nung ano,
Yung Max noodles.
Max Noodles. At saka yung dumpling. Pero masarap din naman yung dumpling nito. Doon naman sa yung noodles naman dun, medyo matigas. Thick ba?
Mas ano, mas firm yung
Hard,
ano. Mas firm yung noodles mo.
Nakasa dito.
Galing. Tapos mabilisan lang ulit yung ano, yung kainan.
Tapos may
Tapos pwede ka
din-
mag-share, sharing.
May ka-share din sa table.
Lansong Yuen. Pwede naman mag-cream ba?
Nakagat ko pa lang yung crust.
Kamusta?
Oh! Teka lang. Kakang egg.
Ano? Lasang egg? After na egg tart, pan-fried buns naman. Sa katapat lang. Thank you. Then, juicy ano? Puti mo na lagay mo.
Okay na to.
Haluin mo.
In the event of an emergency, please remain calm and seated and follow the instructions given by your cabin.
We're here in Bacau.
Ganda. Super laki.
Okay.
Picture mo nga
Kasama
ako.
yan.
Gamit dito ng card po, Gcash ko tayo ma'am. Pero pag may Hong Kong dollar kayo ma'am, Hong Kong dollar din po ang suklet. Pero wala po problema kahit na yung Macau money kayo. Pero yung Macau money nyo ma'am, ubusin nyo na dito kasi pagbalik nyo ng Hong Kong, hindi nyo po magagamit.
Magkano yung isang ganito?
Yung isang banig po na ito ma'am, wala pa po. Pero pounds kasi sa Macau ma'am. Masarap to sir ano? Ito yung pinakamasarap kasi po, medyo pricey siya, pero pinakamasarap sa lahat. Pinakamura, pinakamalambot naman. Ganun naman po sa Pinoy, di ba? Pag ano yung malambot. Masarap nga to. Kasi yan bossing, wala siyang taba. Ayun, makikita mo. Walang taba.
Pwede yung ulamin sa kanin
Opo, ulam sir. Masarap. Alam niyo po yung sa Chowking. Yung chow pan nun. Yan po yun. Lat chow. Kasi bali 2 kilo dito.
Ano na po trip?
Busog na ako.
Bale, ito yung likod ng, ano to? The ruins of St. Paul. Wala na siyang laman.
Oo. Ano na lang. Pasad na lang. Ay, doon pa tayo.
Parang ito na lang yung ano eh, yung remains na lang.
Alin yung nasa?
Oo, yung nasa loob. Ayun, yung mga bato. Tirador ng free taste. Yung nagpi-free taste, so may take out pa. Ano yung take out mo, ma'am? Ano yan?
Cookies,
Almond cookies. Ang dami pa, oh. Busog na kami sa free taste.
Ayaw, kala ko.
Anong pinakaiba niyo ngayon?
Mas butter ito.
Yung egg.
Hindi siya lasang egg.
Ano mas masarap? Yung kahapon o yung ngayon?
Magkaiba sila eh.
Maray ba?
Ito battery, tapos yung flaky niya parang tinapay. Yun doon. Yun doon, ano ba yun doon? Matigas,
Parang hopya.
crunchy.
Di ba parang hopya yung ano?
Oo. Hindi, medyo matigas yung crust doon, di ba? Ito parang tinapay.
pero masarap.
Lapot ng sabon.
Lapot.
Lapot.
Okay. Pangatlong version ng egg tart. Lord Stowe. Ito yung asawa ni Margaret. Yung kanina. Asawa ni
Lord Stowe.
ex-husband pala. Originated sa Macau. Kamusta?
Mas gusto ko.
Gusto mo yan?
But same silang butter.
Oo.
Parang yung tinapay nila. Ito hindi siya parang tinapay na tinapay.
Oo.
Parang siyang crepe. Parang
Crepe?
may flaky.
Oo.
Yung kasi parang matinapay.
Oo.
Ito parang flaky yung tinapay niya. Pero, gusto ko to.
Sa tatlo, ano yung best?
Ito.
Ayan. Buti na lang, meron na sa Pinas na. Pero originated siya sa Macau, no? Sobrang jiggly niya, oh.
This one ay siomai with rice.
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles.
Tapos parang may nilagay siya na peanut sauce. Di ko sure kung ano yun.
Lambot to, parang tokboki.
Okay. Uy, kinain na po niya agad. Sarap.
Kakaiba yung lasa.
Ito naman, fish ball. Ito yung, ano yun, beef offal.
Offal.
Mga laman loob ng ano, laman loob ng
Beef.
beef. May tuwalya and everything. Kain na kami. Gutom na kami. On the way to Victra.
本站是位于山顶凌霄阁内的山顶总站。
Ito yung barbecue pork, no? Yatlok. Ano mo masasabi mo?
Sarap.
Sarap? Yun lang?
Delicious man.
Hindi kami makapag ano eh. Hindi tayo makapag video masyado kasi mabilisan yung ano. Fast pace talaga.
Hindi ka matapos.
Hindi ka pa tapos. Kinukuha na nila yung pinagkainan mo. Which is very common naman, di ba? Ano? Common naman na. Fast pace talaga. Kaya ang bilis rin kahit mahabang pila niyan. Mga 10 minutes kakain ka na rin.
Pottinger Street.
Ano? Pottinger? Oo nga. Ayun o. kami sa Wanchay Ferry Port Station. Sasakay kami, punta kami doon sa kabilang side. Sa Chimchasu. Kasama namin. Ha? Sasakay namin. Yan ito yung mga kasama namin. Hello! Linaw ng tubig, oh. Kita mo yung ilalim. Nakaabot po kami. Hello, dinner namin for tonight.
Sichua ay dandan noodle.
Mamaya po. Maganda yung restaurant nila. Yes, ganun. Malinis. Oh, that's fine.
Tantan with a twist.
Tapos dried lang siya, no?
Hindi naman, may sabaw naman.
Soup muna. Kaya ko.
Oo, medyo.
Noodles. Firm. Hotdog. Legit? Ang mura pa. Oh? Ito, 48 HKD lang.
With free noodle.
With free noodle refill pa. Kumusta ma'am yung Australia Dairy?
Sarap. Masarap yung yung scrambled egg. Saka yung milk.
Yung macaroni.
Sarap. Masarap.
Sobrang plain lang, no?
Parang pinakulo ang noodles. Kasi
noodles.
titinapon yung sabaw.
Pero yung consistency ng macaroni.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Sakto-sakto
Al
hindi
dente,
labsa.
no? O hindi labsa. Galing. So punta na tayo sa Avenue of Stars. Punta namin si Bruce Lee.
Yung idol ni Mark.
With complimentary to.
Sarap.
Sarap ng tea nila, no? Init? Nakaw nga. Ano ito? Shrimp talaga.
Kasama sa yung shrimp. Kung masarap na yung hakaw sa atin, mas masarap.
Kumusta?
Hindi siya ganun kalasa, syempre. Nasa siomay. Parang close yung siomay sa atin. Medyo maalat lang sa atin.
Wala kasing betsin sila dito, no?
Asano.
Saan doon? Tara din.
Kamwa.
Kamwa. Bolo bun, pineapple bun.
Ano to? Pineapple bun with butter.
With butter.
Taste test.
Yes. Sarap? Oh? Kahit busog ka pa? Tingin. May butter talaga siya na ano.
Kasi ito parang dinulog siya na sugar. Parang gano'n.
Oo.
Or tinapay. Hindi ko man sure na. Parang siyang graham, gano'n.
Oo.
Pero crunchy.
Oo.